Tonight I'm gonna make beefsteak hot dog. I saw this recipe online, so I'm gonna copy it. So we're gonna get a hot pan, and we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We're gonna put red onions that we made into rings. After which, set aside your onions on one side of the pan and put in your sliced hot dogs. We have 1 tablespoon of pepper. We're gonna put black pepper. Next step, once you have it all cooked, in the middle of the pan, put in your 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So this was the original recipe. Now what I'm going to do is I have here 4 calamansis, or a juice of 4 calamansis, because I like my Bistek Tagalog to have a tang. So our hot dog Tagalog will also add, for each hot dog, add 1 calamansi. And there you have it, Beefsteak Tagalog hot dog.